was color, my subgenre was indigo. I had to write about that. I came up with the last known recording of patient number 6F00FF. I see you. Even though all I'm permitted to view from my cube is a reflection of a slack-jawed fool who's babbling drool. You monkey interns, who wish nothing more than to evolve into an inhumane doctor, who enhances us with jackets and kisses with syringes. I see you with your tape recorders, waiting to cash in on a care for my perspective, but my perspective is not sick. You wanted to see and you wanted to speak. You want to understand what led me to being found the way I was found, drowning in what I was drowning in. You want to decipher the hieroglyphs of my molars. Well, I suppose it's about time I tossed you a Rosetta Bone. I could blame her for everything. Though I never believed there was guilt involved, though I've only met her once, though it was me who found her when I bumbled through the sliver of forest that holds itself like a fortress against the onslaught of our city, our ever-expanding monument to steel and advert, our tomb of the morning. I caught myself studying the bright spot in the smog, breathing undiluted oxygen without aid of government-recommended atmosphere adjuster, licking the only remaining rainbows of last night's acid rain downpour. You ever have one of those alarm call wake-ups, where connecting to the static of citizenship feels like potato peeler and soft parts of your flesh? I was ready to explore, to uncover that elusive D bubble. None of the above. I stumbled upon her after losing time. Time being what one is always supposed to keep track of. She being the last petal of the last great-great-great-grandflower mother child. Her name she kissed into my esophagus. Indigo. Though the term was strange, I knew her body must be indigo, vibrant, deep. She, the ambassador of the council of all the endangered colors, who heard my whimpers want to be a war against this world I was vomited into, heard a dream so bloody into the non-faceless regime, this regime of not death but lifelessness. She pulled dead roots from dry dirt. With plum-stained palms, she milked them to life, fed me their nectar till it gathered in my dimples. She sung sunrise into my eardrum till it banged long-forgotten tango. She was sent to teach love, wisdom, dancing into my dull rhythm training, sent with a mission to impregnate my mind. She fertilized the saliva leaking through my mid-eyelid. Her flesh shine slippery swallowed me. I was a good boy once, full of potential, they used to say. In science, we drowned cats to learn the importance of air. I excelled. In mathematics, we learned how to drown cats to learn to subtract. We were made students to the immortal of our ugly, became devotees to nothing but the ugly, till our temples crumbled broken color, lost in the cloud they called God, inserted into our broken body, a society of strong men, women, tranquilized on dull. Indigo shook me back to boy pupil, while showing me all this obvious, told me I was the last chance, while wrapping me in her nudity, horizon, her grace, the kind that crossed 863-year-old minds right before they shut them down. She told me how she was vanishing, while she pointed my intuition into the city evaporating. She told me it'd be easy, piece of uranium cake, explosive. She taught my fingertips, this is what they used to be, and her name, the indigo I poured into the streets from all our broken temples, broken people, being into gray, the colors want you back. She burned this into my fingerprints, remind them there is shine left in them, open them to their own glimmer. They used to call this bleeding, they used to use this for healing, but they will call you the doctor, and they will still call you the fucking doctor. The utopia had punishment coming and gone so long, the last murderer is what you'll call me, the first murderer in 7 generations. I see you salvage that career I can give you, but I had never killed an innocent like you slaughtered the children willingly. She promised this was not violence, this was simple reclaiming, this was simple. Resurrection, bringing trapped ghosts from broken temples. Nothing wrong with my elected perspective. My sixth chakra is on point. My sights are set on a future so bright. I wear my shades indigo tinted. Doctor behind the me. Did you know that she placed her lips on mine? Trained them to whistle her frequency 430. Did you know that it can break any wall?